So hello all, in this video we will discuss about mean deviation. So mean deviation is this topic is very easy related to mean. So first for this we have to find out mean. So after getting the value of mean, the formula for mean deviation bracket x bar, right? So mean deviation is equal to we call it capital M. X bar is mean is equal to, this will be sigma 1 upon n sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar, right? So this will be the formula for mean deviation. Now let's I'll explain you with the help of a question, mean deviation. So in this we will discuss about measures of dispersion. So it measures the degree of scatteredness of the observation in the given data around the central value. Following are the measures of dispersion. In this, the first topic is mean deviation. So question number first, exercise 16b, right? So find the mean deviation about mean. Question number first, 12, 10, 19, 18, 16. Now we have to find out mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean, right? So for this we will be needing mean. So mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observation, right? So 12 plus 10 plus 19 plus 18 plus 16 upon 5. So this 18 plus 12, 30, 30, 10, 40, 40, and this 10, 50, 50 and 10, 60, 60 and 10, 70, 75 upon 5, 15, 12 minus 15, 3, 5, 4, 3 and 1. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12, 13, 13 and 3, 16, right? So 16 upon n is 5, so answer is 3.2. So mean deviation about mean is equal to 3.2. This is our answer, right? So just pause the video to note. This is question number second. Now in this question we have to find out mean deviation about median. So first we have to determine median, right? So mean deviation about median, right? So median, for this just find out median, right? So median, just arrange it in ascending order. So the smallest value is 42, then 45, then 46, 46 and 36 is also there, 36, 36, 42, 45, 46, then 51, okay, 49 and 51 and then 53 and then 72, 53 and then 60 and then 72, right? 60 and 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now median. So n is 10 even. So median is equal to n by 2th plus n by 2th, n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. So 10 by 2 5th plus 5 plus 1 6th upon 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 46 plus 49 upon 2. 95 upon 2. 47.5, right? So median is 47.5. Now we have to find out xi minus median. So xi minus median modulus, right? So 36 minus 47.5, so 11.5, comma 47 minus 42, 5.5, comma this will be 2.5, comma 1.5, comma 1.5, comma 49 minus 48, 1.5, comma 51 minus 48, 3.5, comma 5.5, comma 60 minus 48, 12.5, comma 72 minus 48, 72 minus 50 is 22, 24.5, right? So now sum of all sigma xi minus m, right? Find the sum of all these values, right? Whatever the sum is, just add the values. Now mean deviation about median will be equal to 1 upon n sigma fi sigma this xi minus m, right? So 1 upon n is 1 upon 10. Here we will get the value which we will get here, right? Just put the value and you will get the answer. So this is mean deviation about median, right? Okay, so now this is question number 3rd. So in question number 3rd, it is given that xi is given, fi is given. We have to find out mean deviation about mean. So for that we need to find out mean first, right? So just determine mean first. So fi xi I have determined. So fi multiply xi is fi xi. Now sum of fi xi is 660, sum of fi is 44. So mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, 660 upon 44, which is 15, right? So mean is 15. Now mean is 15, so xi minus 15. So 3 minus 15 modulus is 12, 9 minus 15 is 6, 17 minus 15 is 2, 23 minus 15 is 8, 27 minus 15 is 12, right? So just put the values into this and you will get this column. Now find out product of these two. So 8 multiplied 12 is 96, and the same way, right? Now mean deviation about mean is 1 upon n sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar. So 1 upon n value is 44. Sigma fi xi minus x bar is 312. 312 upon 44 is 7.09. So this 7.09 is our answer for question number 3rd. It is mean deviation about mean. So just find out mean and make these columns so that you will and just determine the values, right? So just pause the video to note it down, right? Now this is question number 4th. In this we have to find out mean deviation about median. So xi is given, fi is given. So median, for median we want a column of CF, cumulative frequency. So it says CF I have determined. Now n by 2 is 50 upon 2, which is 25. So this will lie in this row, right? So median corresponding to this is 30. So median is equal to 30. Now next column will be of xi minus median, right? 30 minus 10 is 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, 35 minus 5, 15, and 35 minus 5, and this is 10 and this is 15, right? Next we have fi xi minus m, right? So 7 multiplied 2 is 140, 45, 80, 25, 0, 8, 5, 40, 5, 40, 59, 135, right? Right. So now we have to find out total. So just add all three values in order to get total. So this total will be 505. Now mean deviation about median is equal to 505 upon 50, 10.1. So answer is 10.1. So in this way you can do these questions, right? This was question number 4, where we have to calculate mean deviation about median, right? Now this is question number 5th. In this also we have to determine mean deviation about mean. So I have prepared these columns. So this you have to fill. So for mean we have to find out xi, right? So xi is 10 plus 20 upon 2. So 30, 15, then 25, then 35, then 45, then 55, 65, 75. Now fi xi. So just multiply these values and you will write it here. You can use assumed mean method also to determine mean. You can use direct method also. So when you will get just determine mean, mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Just find out the value, put it here, subtract these two values, 15 minus mean, 25 minus mean, and so on. Just multiply this column with fi, this column with this column, right? Add the values, get the total. Now mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus x bar upon, okay, upon we have already taken. So use this formula, put the values into it, and you will get the answer. This is question number 5th, right? In the same way, question number 6th is there, in which you have to find out median, right? Find the median of the following data. So just pause the video and do this question. So in next question number 6th, you have to find out median. So mean deviation about median you have to determine. So class interval Ci 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, right? Fi 6, 17, 15, 16, 4, 2. Now for median you have to find out CF. Just determine CF. Now median is n by 2. So total sum, whatever the sum is, total sum will be 4 plus 2, 6, 6, 22, 22, and 6, 28, 28, and 10, 38, 38, and 5, 42, 43, and 7, 50, 60. 60 upon 2, which is 30. So 30 will be, wherever 30 will lie, just find out median, right? Median, you all know the formula median. In the previous exercise, we have done L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H, right? So whatever value you will get for the median, now find out xi. Okay, xi you haven't determined. So xi also we have to determine xi. So xi minus median, then fi xi minus m, right? So whatever values you will get, just write the total here. So formula for mean deviation about median is equal to sigma fi, okay, 1 upon n sigma fi xi minus m. So just put the values into it and you will get the answer, right? So this is all for this video. In the next video we will discuss about standard deviation, variance, and further questions we will solve. So just solve till question number 6. This was question number 6. So complete your work till question number 6. So thank you for watching the video.